Hi there guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER we're going to be looking at the show preview from the view menu. But otherwise, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also we upload training videos daily. So if you can just keep an eye there on the site for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now the show preview button, it is or feature rather, it is quite handy if you're working on more simple designs. Keep in mind, once we move into more complex things, you must really want to keep this off. Now what this will basically do, let's say we have our magnifying glass selected there. Now if we click with our left mouse button, hold in and then move it, you can see we've got a little preview there of the outlined shapes. Now this does not take a lot of memory, so you can kind of see where you want to place it there. But then sometimes we have a more complex design like a logo with details inside. You want to see the whole thing when you move it, so to get a better idea of where you're placing it. Then what you can do is you go on top here to view, and then we navigate to show preview. When we select this, now if we click and hold, you'll see your whole entire shape is moving. It's like a live update, so instead of just it has showing an outline. But like I said, keep in mind that if your design starts getting too complex and you keep this on the show preview, view show preview, then your program will be running slower. So if you're working on a big project, I would at times recommend rather keep that off. But if you're not working on big projects, it's quite convenient to be able to see exactly where your current shape is going to be, so you can get a nice preview even before you placed it, which I would say is quite a handy little tool. So, but for me, for now, I will be keeping this one off just while I'm doing recordings. My system likes some breathing space. Otherwise, that is it on the show preview. So if we navigate here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will find this video more like it. Also, like I mentioned in the preview video, we have a variety of different softwares we do cover. Then if you can also isolate your search here, so if you're looking for anything specific and you don't want to go through the entire list, you can just type it in the top right here and hit that little magnifying glass, but like the one we just worked on. And then if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always just go here to request a training video, then we will make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.